Do you know what the machine in the video is used for? I'm sure you've seen the products it makes somewhere. This is a roll forming machine that can produce two types of. This machine works extremely efficiently. Press the button and touch the screen to operate. Easy to operate. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. Size can be customized according to your needs. Thank you, customers, for your trust.